how much should you actually spend on an air purifier with permanent washable filters? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you the top 5 that actually deliver clean air without the recurring filter costs.
Product number 1, KNKA APH 4000. First up is the KNKA APH 4000, a solid mid-range option at $119.98 that's gained serious traction with over 10,000 sold recently. What caught my eye is its AHAM verification and dual filter design, rare at this price. If you want strong, certified performance without replacing filters every few months, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It covers up to 1,695 square feet with a Catter of 226 CFM for smoke and dust and 244 CFM for pollen. That means it can refresh air in a 350 square foot room nearly 5 times per hour, perfect for bedrooms or living areas. The 3-stage system includes a washable pre-filter for pet hair and large particles, a true HEPA filter, and activated carbon for odors. Plus, real-time AQI display and eco mode help save energy when air quality is good. Now, some people complained about the plastic packaging being tricky to remove from the filter. Almost missed it myself. Here's the thing though, once you get past that, maintenance is actually simple, and you're not stuck buying proprietary filters every 3 to 6 months. This is perfect for you if you want certified performance, hate recurring costs, and have pets or allergies. Skip this one if you need app control or ultra-quiet operation under 20 dB. For under $120, it's a strong value.
Product number 2, Levoit Vital 200S-P. Now, if the KNKA's lack of smart features bothered you, the Levoit Vital 200S-P takes a completely different approach with app control and whole home coverage. Priced higher, but with no listed cost, it's built for large spaces, up to 1,875 square feet, ideal for open concept homes. If you want smart monitoring, pet-specific cleaning, and AHAM-verified power, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's AHAM certified with impressive Catter ratings, 250 CFM for smoke, 254 for dust, and 289 for pollen. That's some of the highest airflow in this list. The dual air intake design, including a U-shaped inlet, helps trap pet hair without clogging, which is huge if you've got shedding dogs or cats. The 3-stage filter includes a washable pre-filter, and it runs HEPA grade, even in sleep mode, hitting as low as 23 decibels. You can control everything via the VASync app, set schedules, and monitor air quality remotely. Now, some people complained about the app being glitchy or slow to respond. Here's the thing though, once connected, it works fine for basic controls, and the core purification doesn't depend on the app at all. This is perfect for you if you want smart features, live in a large home, and have pets. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't care about app integration. It's premium, but the performance justifies the cost. Product number 3, Levoit Vital 100S-P. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller spaces and tighter budgets, the Levoit Vital 100S-P. Also app-controlled and AHAM verified, it covers up to 1,073 square feet, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, or medium-sized bedrooms. If you want smart features, quiet operation, and washable filters without the large room price tag, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It refreshes air 4.8 times per hour in a 222 square foot room, which is excellent for nightly use. The 3-stage filtration includes a washable pre-filter, HEPA-grade filtering even in sleep mode, and activated carbon for odors. Pet mode boosts airflow to tackle fur and dander fast, and the U-shaped intake helps prevent clogs. At just 8.6 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to move. The app lets you schedule runs, check filter life, and even connect to voice assistants. Now, some people complained that the filter reminder doesn't auto-reset and needs a manual button hold. Here's the thing though, it's a minor hassle, not a deal breaker,
and the washable pre-filter still saves you money long term. This is perfect for you if you want app control, have pets, and need something compact. Skip this one if you need coverage over 1,200 square feet. For the features, it's a great middle ground option.
Product number 4, Muka KJ190. Now, if you're looking for serious coverage at a budget price, the Muka KJ190 hits hard at just $79.97. It claims to clean up to 2,200 square feet per hour. Yes, per hour, and has over 9,000 recent sales. If you want maximum airflow, washable filters, and a built-in air quality sensor without spending over $100, this one's a steal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a high-efficiency H13 HEPA filter with 99.97% efficiency on particles as small as 0.1 microns. Pollen, dust, pet dander, all gone. The dual-side air intake design captures more airborne hair and odors, and the washable pre-filter means no monthly replacement costs. Real-time PM 2.5 display and auto mode adjust fan speed based on air quality. Sleep mode drops to just 20 decibels, quieter than a whisper, and it even has an aromatherapy pad for essential oils. Now, some people complained about the plastic smell when first turned on. Here's the thing though, it fades after a few hours of use, and the performance more than makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you want big room power on a budget and don't mind a short break-in period. Skip this one if you need app control or ultra-premium build quality. For under $80, it's hard to beat. Product number 5, Muka PR1. Finally, the Muka PR1 at $66.42 is the most affordable on this list and still packs impressive specs. With coverage up to 2,200 square feet and a washable pre-filter, it's ideal for dorms, offices, or small homes. If you want the lowest upfront cost, strong filtration, and pet-friendly features, this might be your best bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes a PM 2.5 sensor with real-time display, auto mode, and a dedicated pet mode that increases suction to grab fur and odors faster. The 4-stage filtration includes a washable pre-filter, HEPA, activated carbon, and an aroma pad. Yes, you can add essential oils. Sleep mode runs at 26 decibels, and the child lock prevents accidental changes. It's also CARB and ETL certified, so no ozone worries. Now, some people complain the screen sometimes shows 005 air quality even in clean rooms. Here's the thing though, Muka has a video explaining it's a sensor calibration issue and it doesn't affect performance. Just ignore it or clean the sensor. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget, live in a small space, and want washable filters. Skip this one if you need app control or ultra-precise air readings. For under $70, it's a no-brainer. So which one should you buy? The KNKA APH4000 offers the best balance of price and performance. The Levoit models win if you want smart features. The Muka KJ190 delivers the most power per dollar, and the PR1 is the budget king. All use washable pre-filters, so you're saving long term. Pick based on your room size, budget, and must-have features, and stop wasting money on replaceable filters.